Midlife isn't the problem. The real reason women are exhausted and stuck, and what finally helped me. Hey, y'all, I'm Tracy, and we're going to talk about something most women whisper about but never say out loud. This midlife exhaustion that hits like a freight train. And no, it's not because we're old, it's because we've been running on fumes for decades, taking care of family, working, stress, skipping meals, living on coffee, sleeping like trash, trying to keep up with everyone else's needs. And nobody ever taught us how to actually take care of ourselves. Yep, I hit a wall this year, a big one. And I decided I wasn't going to drag myself through another year feeling like that. So I started rebuilding myself with tiny, simple habits. Things like 10-minute walk after meals, drinking water first thing every morning, actually eating enough protein, going to bed before midnight. Nothing dramatic, just simple things that helped my body calm down. And the crazy part, it worked. Slowly, quietly, steadily. My inflammation went down, my mood got better, and the afternoon crash wasn't knocking me out anymore. I felt human again. At the same time, I realized I just was not making enough money. My mom was needing more help, my schedule wasn't getting any lighter, and I just refused to take on another job outside of the house. I can't. So I started learning a 2-hour a day income system. Nothing complicated, nothing techy, something a normal woman or man can do from home without losing her mind. That's why this month I'm sharing 2 things built for women like us. First, my wellness guides and my favorite products, the simple starter tools to help you feel better without overwhelm. And number 2 is my Freedom Formula Blueprint. This is the exact system I'm following to build income in just 2 hours a day. Step by step, no guessing. So let me know. I'll put the links in the description if you want a copy of them. And if you want one or both, just let me know. And I'll give you the links. Midlife doesn't have to be the end of anything. It's the moment that we actually start rewriting everything. Hey, I'm walking this with y'all. Stick with me. More videos are coming.